Do you notice how whenever you open up a YouTube video, there's always some type of ad that plays first? Sometimes there's even more than one. Now, most of the time, what we all do is just skip those ads because it's honestly annoying, especially when you just badly want to watch your video already. But did you know that these ads could actually earn you some PayPal money? I bet you didn't, and that's why you just want to skip the ads. Well, now you know. We're going to be teaching you how these ads that you see can make you money so that you can start earning pronto. To do so, you just have to... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Today's strategy is going to be available worldwide, so don't even worry about that. It's also something that you can do even on your mobile phone, which is just 10 times better because of its convenience, and on top of that, it's completely free, so no investments or hidden fees, which is absolutely awesome. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss that, then make sure you watch from start to finish so that you don't miss anything important, and let's jump right into it. First website is called wad.uju.com/ads, and this is how that website looks like. As you can read on here, earn money by viewing advertisements. Uju will pay you for viewing advertising offers of our partners. You can earn watching advertisements, earn money in really easy ways, watch advertisements and get up to 4 cents per click. You can also earn money by watching Uju videos, making simple tasks or offers with Personally Offer Wall. There's also a referral program. Recommend Uju watching ads to others and get rewarded for that. You get credited for every click of your referral. Also, you get up to $20 bonus, which will upgrade his account to Privilege. There are over 41,554 users, over 2 million, and up to $20 as a bonus. To start, you can simply click on sign up right here, and then you can continue with Google. It's the best way, and as soon as you have an account, this is what you're going to see. Now, we want you to click on this one over here. Click on paid to click ads right here. Then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. And as you can probably already tell, there are so many ads for you to click and choose from, which is great because that means that your earning potential on here is huge. You just have to click on an ad and then a video will just pop up on your screen. All you have to do is let the ad play from start to finish, and just like that, you're going to earn. So that's basically it for this website. Why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. Next website is called Neobucks, and this is how that website looks like. So just click on register right here, then you're going to be taken to here. And as you can see, you are just a minute away from changing the way you make money online forever. At Neobucks, you get paid to take surveys, view advertisements, complete quizzes, play games, and more. Unlike many other sites, we will always offer the best possible rewards for your activities in a safe, accommodating, and multi-language environment. What am I registering for? You're registering for a free account. Your account will allow you to earn cash and get paid from the comfort of your own home by simply interacting with online content while you can rest. Assure that we will always provide lucrative rewards for your loyalty and activity. Alternatively, you can advertise your own website and or promote other sites, knowing we offer services of the highest quality for our advertisers and content providers. What are the requirements? You need to have an account with Skrill, AirTM, or Neteller, or PayPal in order to purchase any of our services. You can use the same payment processors to receive your earned cash. If you do not have an account with any of the aforementioned payment processors or want different options, you can still withdraw your earned money by choosing between other options like bank transfer, check, and TPALT. So just fill up all of the details being asked of you. So that's your username, your password twice, email, referrer, and you can leave that blank. Birth year, verification code, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Give your consent, then hit on continue, and just like that, you finally have an account, and you can start watching ads and even doing the other things that they offer on this website and make the money possible. And that is it for NeoBucks. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by loving this video, liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified when we have a new video posted. And let's keep going. Last website and the highest paying one is called ysense.com. And this is their website. It looks really nice and neat. And ysense.com is an online rewards website for those looking to earn extra money from all over the world. As a member of the ProDedge LLC family, we support market researchers and others who rely upon the power of consumers, offering our members a variety of reward opportunities. Whether you take surveys, complete online tasks, or complete other offers, there's something for everyone to easily make money online with. Earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. There are paid surveys. Earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. There are cash offers. Get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. And there's also referrals. Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. That was pretty catchy. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make or continue to make. So you're just going to sign up on here and make some money ASAP. Before we wrap things up, you know how to do this. Let's have a little recap. Our first website is called Uju, and to get to the website or the web page that you're supposed to be at, you can type in wad.uju.com/ads. That's the first website. Sign up so you can start making money with this. Second website is called neobucks.com. NEOBUX, that's how you spell it. Once you're on their website, register for a free account and start earning. It's as easy as that. And the last but not the least, my personal favorite, ysense.com. It's not WHY, it's just Y. ysense.com. Go on ahead and open up the website, register for a free account, and make some money. Make sure you try all three together to get the money that we promised you, because if you only do one and not the other two, then you're most probably not going to earn the money that we had initially told you you were going to earn. Make sure you try all three. Let us know. It goes in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.